Today we're going to be starting off the foundation class Geo Search. We're going to be looking at how we can uh, give you the basics on how to develop this application. And in order for us to start, you need to have a repo created for it on GitHub. Now, I hope and believe that you already know how to create a GitHub account. You need to have a GitHub account and you need to be logged in. So this is my GitHub account and I'm logged in. I'm gonna quickly click on repositories. Once I get into, okay, this is repositories, I can click on new and type in the name of the repository that I want. But I already created a repo, Geo Search, and I expect you to create yours. Maybe you already have one. But if you don't have, just click on new. You will see a screen where you can type in the name and initialize at readme and click on create. It will create this. So when you create on the newly created, when you click on the newly created repo, you see I have just readme, nothing else. So I'm going to clone this to my desktop by clicking on this. If I click on clone or download, you'll see this icon here, so that you can copy the URL. So I'll click on it. So once I've clicked and know that I've copied it, I'll now get back to my Visual Studio Code. This is where I'll be working. So make sure that you're on the desktop, the directory that you are in, make sure it's the desktop. So I'm going to cd dot dot to make sure that I'm on the desktop. So I'm now on the desktop. Once you see this, that means that you're on the desktop. So because I'm on the desktop, I'm going to now do my git clone here. So I'm going to say git clone space, then I'll Ctrl V to paste the URL that I had earlier copied from the GitHub. Then I press the enter key. You can see cloning Geo Search. So I'm going to get this cloned to my desktop so that I can be working from my desktop and be pushing to the to GitHub whenever I make substantial amounts of changes. I'm gonna be doing this is gonna be for Geo Search, and if you have any questions and concerns, always drop them in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that anytime I drop a video for Geo Search, the foundation class people, you'll be able to see them. If you have any questions and concerns, always drop them in the comment section. I always give my video thumbs up if you think they are good enough for you, and also share them if you want to. I would like you to share them as well. So the cloning is done. So once the cloning is gone, I can simply cd into Geo Search. So cd into Geo Search, which is the new folder that I just cloned. Okay, it has said it. You can see now I'm having a Geo Search master, and anytime I'm working on a program, I want in the Explorer, I want the folders to be shown here. So to do that, just simply click on File, click on Open Folder, and select the folder. This is my desktop. I'm going to look for Geo Search that I just cloned. So under J, this is it. Okay, this is the Geo Search. So I click on it and click on Open, select folder, so that it will open up, so that any other thing that is not of Geo Search will not be there. Things about the call track teamwork, I don't want it to be confusing us. Okay, see, it has just opened. This is the project Geo Search, initialized with a readme. This is welcome tab. I'll just close this, then I'll press Ctrl backtick in order to bring out my tab, my console. So I just did Ctrl backtick so that I should be able to see what I have here. Okay, so now I have my Geo Search. So I've done the creation of the repo and cloning to my desktop. In subsequent classes, we're going to continue. We're going to create the yeah, I don't know whether it's proper. I just branch out to develop immediately. so that we don't have problem later. So let me branch out to develop by saying git checkout b, git checkout b, develop. So that's the develop branch that we're going to be using. Okay, so I'm now in develop branch.